Until such a as a couple of months, I said, and it's something in Burumbani, Garabe, to Panama fish or a fish and chips, Panama is Yamaku, or a contact Kenda, going to the contact of sugar counterparts. And Mina, it's in the sugar school or Tage. My also best friend working together with the Zulens TV, Namsa, stays with Mr. P, with our Mr. P, Joe Mane, but to bear. I'm full of what they come and look to why now, and then they put in here, and I push it up. When now,
is it a change? Well, I was saying, so you like
yeah, but to Mr. P is the former founder, meaning that before going further, I just couldn't Upilane, 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 up until you figure out, Sibi, a Mahe podcast. Ufundegu, who's figured out.
Is born and bred in Newcastle, mom from Villarano, yeah, they put that one house in put my family in Newcastle. So then Lafuna Corner, Posse too. Then I moved around, I spent a lot of time in high school.
So which movie later when you in our class, you lost a lot of time in high school.
I did, but I think it was just a training for which mustn't get into the real life between an intervenist because we have for every failure.
Yeah.
There's opportunities that arise.
Yeah, see how you see himself and there you go with just build up this place from scratch. Was we busy camera putting in a puzzle guys would see police in mom but corner and I every corner so started about but in Puna I was telling I business now meaning then like like from nowhere now absolutely come back to my destination but I come and listen but I think up to the tool come back and
it's talking about who socialize, who communicates our land whilst they're having fun. It's say dine, flaunt, and wine.
No, so the D and no to them.
Okay, then I took it from in the Australia base associated with coast. Base, base we have it for school still. So has it to must to Konya. It's going to can where we are situated, sitting there, so looking Shara Street. So I never know they are going to if city, let us see if I listen to coast. Yeah. They'll be hammered, that is the coast.
It will be the actually you know what school is supposed to be less hammer so whatever like as a land it's looking at the city of anything.
Yes. That's you're not doing it cool about then
why can't the sports business now why can't the sports business
initially not words I would say using skating space probably I bought site for routine with my own residential home but Bashi is card which is because I'm told that that's a car. Then after that the plan was routine. Okay, I need to create and was to try to do the car. I want to time I need to develop plan now is in fear this space. Over or this calendar. I don't say actually we made that but then there was a demand for routine. Maybe get in food when I was back and I say laptop. Then obviously if it gets to that, then they come and finally they connect and I now with business that's one jobs.
Good jobs,
we have
one jobs to join.
Yeah, I go.
And then woman travels the next day before let's start send that woman travel. You want to look getting into picture, you need that benefit of it. I think that's it. The money, fully card, and if I general say, oh, sure, that's the corner, I pay it. besawubona funa khona but ikuphi lapho ngekho because ngiyazi kune-picture mhlawumbe enokudlula wayeka athi hayi sona lelo
ngiyatravel manje kwenzile ukudlulana so ngiyatravelela
ndoda yomzulu vele njalo yami
so manje yabo sihambile endaweni zonke ukuthi zikhona izinto ezikhona ey'ndaweni ezinye kodwa asekhaya indawo engathi manje ayislelinge neve uyaqala i-benchmark ngey'ndawo ey'ncane ezama-Italy nazonke bese uthatha amapulenti uhlanganise angeke ithi kule ndawo eyodwa engathi ngabukela kuyona ukuthi mhlawumbe ngenza kanje khona but ngey'ndawo ey'ningi ezikhona esengihamba zona ngabona ukuthi lento ngingakwazi ukuthi kangiyenza
kodwa ngisho ngiqala ngesikhathi uqala ukuyicabanga le ndawo lena or uyikhanda izifike ngesikhathi uthenge isite 2009 uthi uthengele 2010 uthi uthengele 2010 akelo ngenze ukuthi
ayitshela phela 2010
ngoba lapho ngibele awuzobela izathu ongenzeka futhi amashishini amancane wazovuka 2018 and then powerful ekutheni ukuthi usuyime itshela ukuthi ngesikhathi uqala ucabanga sathi uphela ngo-2010 yini okuyicabangela ukuthi ufuna ukuyenza
ngo-2010 plan ukuthi ngiyazi ngenza ikhawashi kwazi ukuthi balokuyela nebhola kahle
base-screen
laphayana yabo baningi umphathi wakade iyona ndawo ecabanga ukuthi iyona khona kuphela le ukuzithokozisa umphathi wakade ngangicabanga ngalokho ukuthi banazi baphumi bami kwezinye iy'ndawo bekude ngangicabanga lapho yabo vele i-vision yashintsha-ke besiyona
Even if you pretend I was fine, I was struggling. And you put that, do we launch a date? What do you launch a date?
Silonje mhla 11 Sept.
Yeah.
And then saba ngenhlanhla ukuthi sacela ukuhlonishwa umeya uthula district ulemshe uthula
Ithi sazi lapho yazi ukuthi kuthiwa nje unikezwa ithuba lokuthi ubonge nje from the launch of the launch.
Yabo nje engafana ne-prioritize kakhulu into oyena owakwazi ukuthi amhlanganise nayo ushare uMolo Sibelane. uMolo Sibelane nje kodwa yena phambili ukuthi esikoleni safunda naye kodwa ngaphambili phela kakhulu so uyena ngicabanga ukuthi kahle wakwazi ukuthi afike bamqhaza kakhulu but after lokho okunye kufanele ngibone nangemposters wakhe alwazi ukuthi ayimele lento ngoba besides ukuthi kahle ngathola lo support from yena I don't think ukuthi eziningi ezikhona njengamanje ngabe-reality ngoba kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi abantu osuke ubambisene nabo uthola ukuthi angayibona vision efana neya kodwa yena wakwazi ukulimela but ayikube umshiye nabantu bakhe lapho ngizama ukuthi ngihlanganise
and then ngakona okukhona ole-development nami lakhe nginalo kwakukhona inkosi
hey yazi ukuthi
yazi ukuthi lelo qomoni hayibo
khona umfundisi uMpungose
wezibekazi
yazi ukuthi mina ngikuwe lo bese ngithatha ngibona ukuthi ikhona lento enogcobo ngathela ngizalelo yabo abantu ngaqala uma wami ukuthi nahle ngophilana kodwa nje nalelo duyilana kuthiwa ngophilana lapha ezesaphuma nokunjumanje yabo lokho kumele ngithathe manje qala nganga-understand ukuthi abantu bangizelana nesibongo kodwa manje singa-embrace ngoba lokho kukhamba ukuthi nahle leyo nto leyo ihambelana nokuthi nahle abantu bayazithola bekhuluma nawe yabo yabona uthaze lungane nami ngikuwe kodwa bese ngithi abawethu abantu abangathisa leyo nto
angifisi ukuthi sikhulume about the challenges lokho abahlangabezana nazo bengeke nabantu ukufika lathi because you can't tell ukuthi it-touches the life angifisi ukuthi sikhulume ngalo because wonke umuntu ulokho story to tell but ngifuna sikhulume about the success ukuthi nje njengoba morning down, session 30 launch, wathi on speech, wakhuluma what you call ija bathi abantu if uzobona something. Yes. Yavulwa ngeke bakushiya.
Yes.
Yo.
Ikwazi.
Mfethu usisile le ndawo le.
Mfethu ngiyama ngithi ngiyabuka uthela hlala. Ethi mangilala ngithi ngicabanga ngiyiphaphama nje. Ngithi angikho kodwa bese ekugcineni bese ngibuka uthela hlala. Ngifana uqinile nje. Yeah. Ungeke ubeke lento etheni ekhaya kodwa ke ngaphokophela yabo. Uma nje ngisaqhubeka ngisebenza ngaye emsebenzini. Kodwa konke lokhu bekhona bekuthola emsebenzini khona ngithatha so possible lokho nje ukuthi nje uyalana kanjani nokuthi nje lento zakho uzenza kanjani izinto zakho zikwazi ukuthi zibe nempumelelo.
And then ushilo ukuthi you have to maybe I can tell ukuthi maybe shine with a few years if still out. And at this age we actually know ukuthi uzokwazi and then umfazi umtholile umfazi okwazi ukusupport every single step wathatha not only we want to know ukuthi wona phela your wife uzama zakhe bakhona ngephupho unayo washo ukuthi iphupho lakho ingakubona ukuthi ufike la kodwa wathi man awuthi nje ngibeke lo themba lelo wazi no ukuthi ungathini ke
mhlawumbe bethuleyo wethu abangeleba yabo so manje leyo kodwa phela ngoba ubonga uzobonga kodwa futhi ukhuthaza yabo ngoba yabo ngeke ukwazi ukuchaza le nto mhlawumbe ngokwakhe ukuthi i-strength or amandla angaka yena wathatha futhi yakwazi ukuthi enze leyo nto leyo. Isikhathi esiningi abantu namhlanje abesifazane bafuna i-internet yabo
manje kuphuthumayo
yabo
ukutshela ukuthi nje mfethu ngiyibona ngiyimillionaire within about 15 years to come. So this is
yabo
so no way to maintain kumka message before you talk about uthola ithuba ukulale noma ibuka ekulale ngathani noma ingane zakho zikulale that day ungathini
no yazi ukuthi oyikhona kubalekile nje ukuthi ngahlala siqhubeke sibambane yabo ukubambiswana lezi zinto lezikhona ukwenza ukuthi siqhubeke nje okuthiwa mhlawumbe kuyenzeka lingasekho kodwa uyalazi ukuthi i-second assembly ekusuke ngithola noma ngithatha ngibeke to-produce so naye ngiyazi ukuthi uma kuthiwa mhlawumbe kuyenzeka mina uyazi ukuthi
amadoda angazi vele sithi silala qha
kodwa futhi akakwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe ayiqhubeze kube yilegacy iy'ngane kwazi ukuthi ziqhubeze khona lento futhi ayikhulise ibe yinto enkudlwana nalokho yabo okuyikhona silokhu ngile esikhona society isikhulu ukuthi abahlali sikwazi ukuthi sithi give back to the community. Uyabona nje abantu besaqashile khona phakathi yabo abantu abasebasha and the staff is about 10 people so yabona laba bantu ukuthi ulala nje uyazi ukuthi nakufanele kufanele wenze show labantu bakwazi ukuthi
yabona mfethu kukhuluma ngale legacy abantu abaningi bathi manje funa umsebenzi bafunela imali ukuthi bafuna ukuthi besebenze manje bethole imali manje they don't think about it if usokhulile wena usumdala usungasenawo la manje kuzokwenzakala uzokufika wena uzobona ikhefu ehlala ekhaya eliphuza lokho ubona ukuthi eyithwala ikhathi so why is it legacy. Thank you so much for ukutshengisa abantu this true ukuthi yonke into yenze if you have dream yakho nje uzoba ne-confidence yakho. Sitshele mfethu ngemini ngoba sekhona njengani eqala ngo-2018 sitshele ukuthi lana yini specialize yini yenziwa because lona ke uyijakhile ufuna ukukhuluma sekhona nawe ke lana
yabo nje into yona in then it's a public space space open for ukwenza like small gatherings like events small events like baby showers, umshado, 21st, graduation party, Thanksgiving, as long as in that space.
No Sunday chillers.
Yeah, no Sunday chillers, but we actually play background music because it's really a residential area, so we know that we've actually been criticize kakhulu ukuthi singawenzi umsindo esitolo nomakhelwane ngoba yabona ukuthi ugcine manje izokwenza ukuthi umathe angizwakala. But-ke nje on everyday basis okuyikhona ku-main core ibhizinisi yethu is that sisebukhulu ukunani kakhulu la ekhaya. Hayi ukudla ukubuka la uthayela ukudla kumnandi.
Sikhuluma nabantu asebe bafika la. Siyazi ukuthi kunabo osaziwayo abangaphandle.
Yes. Sizovakashela nje umama uThembi wasitulela wamnandi kanjani yabo no uNgcolozi wafika noNgcolozi ayophindileke abantu balayikhaya Josti that is Vashela Loki nama-radio presenters yabo abanye abeze uzivakasha yangakithi ukuthi njani.
If they are around the world, I don't think ukuthi uyayishola ukuthi ulile wadilalela mana ngeke ukuthi uyayishola kuzame bonke khona namafini for so long and then singakavali sesovala for time isikhathi saphambili sihamba khona la sibalele ukuthi kunezinto ezahlukahlukene yelela ukudla ngechashi ngofuqa manje isinto noma esidala nchaya usu ngicaphiso
Yebo. Shall we check?
ngimalanda ngekhaya ayikubhizi manje ukudla lokho abantu sebejwayele.
Into manje seyinkinga ukuthi uyabheka yabo ubheka i-lifespan yabantu manje ukuphila isiyancipha. Ngicabanga ukuthi into eyona icontribute kakhulu kulezo zinto ezinjalo ukudla vele sikudlayo sifaka phansi emlonyeni manje thina sivele sabuka ukuthi asithande ngoludala yabo sikwazi ukuthi sibuyisele abantu kuleza zinto ezikhona yabo
Lapho lenze ukuthi
sinabantu abadala iyona into efunakala yabo nje khona into esiyenzelela izolo ufika abantu abadala sebenzekela ibisiko ulayini ugcwele hayi ayizakwazi ngihambe ngizibona ukuthi ismile
and then your words to a youth and a dream. Obona ukuthi le nto abacabangayo ayifani nabantu but it's so hard to
yazi ukuthi into yona difficult kakhulu in this day and age it's electoral opportunities in small towns. Ukuthi izinto umuntu eqhamuke edolobheni encane ukuze akwazi ukuthi access lezo zinto lezi ezithile fanele aze travel that's the only thing but into yona eyenzekile ukuthi technology ikwazi ukuthi abantu ikwazi ukusebenzisa lezo zinto lezo. So if you have a dream nje ku-dream about izinto ezifisayo yabo even if you do research manje ku-social not only social media ku-Google ucheck izinto ezikwazi zikusize ezikwazi zimenze impilo yakho ibe ngcono. Leyo nto leyo iyasiza bese-ke abantu bayeke indaba zama-drugs because lezi zinto lezo zisuppressa umcabango womuntu ukuthi akwazi ukuthi enze izinto. So nje yabo uma ungakwazi ukuthi ushift lezo zinto lezo ukwazi ukufocusela empilweni encane isikhathi esincane singu-prayers I'm telling you impilo yakho iyakwazi ukushintsha ubona izinto nani uyi-associate-ke nabantu yabo aba-right abazokwazi ukuthi bakwazi ukufaka imebhizi nakho yabo.
Show me your friends.
I'll tell you
the future. Tell me about the people that want to know about clothes now. Kuchele kancane ukuthi nabo bawusomashishini. There's something about the inside. And then this guys, this is our first podcast. Essentially, basically my podcast. That point and just deal with our so young. If we talk about the talent, and a lot of people are willing to do this and the result. And then you put tell me about your friends in Lao, children, and would see. You have a friend that the same
look, sample nje sikhanga nokwethu khanga nezinto eziningi abanye bayasebenza abanye bawosomabhizinisi wabo omunye nje wabo omunye nami wenza amasuku ugqokisa ubayela
I wish they could have some time then just to know. So from top to bottom. What about? Oh, okay. So I was getting interested.
So organizations
Besides ukudla nokuchila la so ukuthi sewunephuli.
Yes.
Iphuli is letting ukuthi mina it's my first time ngibona iphuli mina ibhale loo nto leyo.
No, I didn't see you for that tools that I had to try to bring in class. What we are saying, fix it is you're trying to bring it here. It's in my car. Same thing. It's just that about 30 hours with a huge mindset in terms of how they actually do things. And also was adopt to it when I was sitting. Yes.
Yeah. I wish I can have some more time. I wish like let's go to this place, it's so bad. Let's say this is a lane down. About 10 years for sure. You go to officer and down. As not the generous,
About those and never talk much. That's how we So down there, Bahamas Captain, episode stand up his view, the Lord we can never know. But more than that, the whole corner that we are trying to improve ourselves in is to develop these different last all coaching trainings, especially for people that is interested in hospitality and tourism sector. Because I think those are things that's necessary. So if we can be able to so as to company partner and big college and Tasha, or whatever school that's going in and around Sweden, those was Italy and so as to see training, as well as there's another license training and that's to another class of women as well as I think a lot of them will have achieved the thing. Lokho kusevuthela siyabona phela ukubheka ngokweminyaka ukuthi xa ukhathala vele kahle lakho so there's still about 20 plus years asafanele usebenze ngazama ukuthi kanjani okunye umuntu uyayibona ngathi iqalele ithi kodwa ngiyublame lokho mhlawumbe khona lokho okwazi ukuthi kwenziwe ikonzele khona
ngiyithanda uma usho ukuthi uyafisa ukuthi ibe back to the community.
Yes, we have to. We are actually driven by and inspired by the people of Sulu. And we are something so so much ngokushintsha kwezwe nezinto lezi nabo phela babesebancane lesikhathi kodwa nje ukwenzeka kwezinto zonke lezinto lezi kumele development ezibheka nje because ukwenza ukuthi uluntu luthuthukile ngeke ngithi manje hleka nabangani bami lesikhathi ngithi yabona umntwana phela le ushare so lesi kungathi phela insizwa leya wafika wakhomba ihlathi wathi yabona la sizokhanda idolobha la sizofaka izindlu ey'flashayo amanye amakhehla ayengakholelwa okuphishinayo ayethi siyabulala manje behlebelana kodwa manje kukhona uyayibona loo nto le
in 10 years or whatsoever years, this place we want is in the top view, so was born I do believe and lastly, there is thing and is either I about to put it, our willing, or would say, I will see the especially le esuke ithanda kodwa ingazuthi how to go about so yakho ukuthi uye ekoleni from high school ukuthi lokho ukuthi wenza kangcono qina khona kakhulu and then I had to speak ukuthi ufisa into ukuthi kukhona amabike ukuthi kube khona ifike umuntu etholeshile just akathatha ibike nje ehambe just bese is that true?
No, we create kakhulu and it's our next phase of the business. Obviously, we are also governed by imithetho kakhulukazi mhlawumbe ukutholela wena trust. Kodwa ke ngisebenzisa usisi wami cha wena wena ayisizame lokusibona ukuthi lapha singasikipha kanjani ilesihlaba so ubani uhambelana nokusebenza kwabantu. Ukuthi nje yabona nje lehlathi la opposite kwethu la so create ama-routes azohamba ahambe umuntu akwazi ukuthi afike abone nembilane si-create so sort of izinto ezihambelana nokuthi sithi commemorate inkosi ushaka abasebenzisa space ezokwazi ukuthi zibe izoba isikhumbuzo sayo abantu babe-drive around noma kungabe yabo ukuthi usethekwini khona into abathi belitown. So more create a little bit for the but what the subjective ukuthi ekhaya wasn't too tall and was not lezo zinto lezo kodwa makutholakala no sifaka amabhayi lendaweni kanje ayokwazi bakuphela lento kuthiwa i-township tourism abantu bakwazi ukuthi drive around babone lezi imigwaqo le egcwele la elokishini la ngethi lo Dr. Dennis fanele mhlawumbe le khuluma ngayo kuswela ungena kuHuman Street muza ngalanga uzimaza street zonke lezo zinto lezo zibeka bese umuya ngale ngasekhaya ukhangela kushisela wonke amagama lawo awathathwanga nje
ukwazi ukuthi aqhama kanjani
ukwazi aphethe umntana omkhulu kakhulu lo singawazi
esikufisayo ukuthi uma singawazi akwazi ukuthi sudlulisele nezulane and then like umsebenzi wakho mkhulu and then ngiyathemba uNkulunkulu ephosho ngendlela ephilisa izenza abantu you are the one you gonna be the legacy yakho asibaleke ubenzile nje kukodwa nje kuyatshengisa ukuthi you are the legacy and then ubhalile khona basayile bakubonile mama sithemba ukuthi noma abathi balekile ukuthi bekhona lento kwade yakho ukuthi abaza you've been made it up to zofika nanami I know what's about it
akekho umuntu owahamba aqhubekile wahamba abazali sonke sinezinto ney'mpande esisuka khona akekho ngalokho ngizokubheka ukuthi akekho umuntu into ayenzileyo kunami nje ngoba ngina kuyi-resultant abanye abantu bakholelwe mina nezinto ey'thile nayo kule nto ethile ukuthi ngifikise so nalokho sengikhambile kwaze kufike lapho usuka la ngikwazi ukuthi ngiye phambili ukuthi ngiyayidinga i-buy-in from abantu abaningi lots of stakeholders esinawo whether it's government or non-government people that we can be able to try and match sezinto ezokwazi ukuthi uthuthukise igama lale ndawo
awusayicabangeli wena manje as an individual
kumina lapho because ngibheka the way izinto sezingakhona vele nangokuthi nje understand ukuthi engicabanga ukuthi khona kwavele kwafika ngivula amehlo kakhulu yilokhu ukuthi mhlawumbe ushele akuyena uzofuna le ndawo lokho ngithetha ngalight ngakuwa ngalento eyisenkulu ukuthi la sithuliwe sisemsebenzini ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sisize abantu yebo
makhathi izinto ezakushela ngethesha ukuthi benamabethi yes and uma sifikilane nje khona enye ayisefanele kuyona kuthiwa hawushe ngangiyinto imbi yayikhona ngokungakala ngokonombolo kodwa bathi
uqala la
ingakho ngisho ukugqola uNkulunkulu ayena abusisiye phela ukuthi ubonge kanjani
siyabonga nje kakhulu nakubo bonke abantu abasithakazelayo abafisela izinto ezinhle ukuthi le iqhubeke ingane nje ithele ukuthi mhlawumbe njengoba isikanje bese kuyafadalala iqhubeke uNkulunkulu asigcine ukuthi mhlawumbe ngikwazi ukuthi le vision enginayo le ndawo le ngithi uma ngithi ngiyathatha ngiyisela komuntu ngithi awuqhubeke nayo le ndawo akwazi ukuthi naye ethathe ayiqhubekise ikwazi ukuthi ikhule iziphezulu ngoba ekugcineni kwakho konke asikho ukuthi engahlahla umuthana. Siyafika isikhathi sokuthi umuntu nomuntu sifike isikhathi sakhe ukuthi hayi wena ngigalela isikhathi esinayo. Kodwa mase kuqhubeka lapho kube umuntu uzoqhubeza le ndawo nabantu abakhuluma ngayo bazi lapho ngayo cha hayi le ndawo isenje ngoba kwakunjalo isingaphezulu kwalokho okukhona.
Your last year was a umuntu whatsoever ubukile or ubukana oyenze ukuthi asele wasolo ngekho abantu le and now uyafisa ukuthi agcina like something lesokuthi yena aqale ekhasi yakhe ongathini lokwenza amama kama lo okukhuthaza amama abanye bazobuza umuntu lethene bese ngiyabathi ngizama ukushaye lo ukuthi abanye umona bidepha ngiyakuzibale into yakhe ukuthi bekhona ngifisa ukubuza lo but uzobuza nje but nje your last words and abasenze kumona namasiyabhalisa.
Okay, nje especially abantu abanganathi intsha uhulumeni kwesikhathi samanje sokunzima ukuthi ungakwazi ukuthatha abantu bonke bakuthana bawusebenzela uhulumeni kodwa into oyona khona ukuthi ey'ntweni zonke akekho umuntu ozame ngenalo ithalente. Uma ulandelela ithalente liyafezeka nalokho lapho. So nje ungagivani futhi ungakuyekeli into oyona usuyiqalile njengoba wena nje ngangifuna ukuyenza le ndawo ngo-World Cup 2010 kodwa idumela layo izelayo zazozovela ngo-2002.
How many years?
Uyayibona 12 years. So ungagive up nje uma umuntu lonto leyo kufanele uhlezi uphusha uzama ukungena kwezinye izinto bese-ke uyabo ungabi-ke nawe ube-rigid njengokuthi uma uthe ufuna kwenzeke lokhu ufuna kwenzeke lokhu angeke kwenzeke kanjani. Fanele uqale uthole ezinye indlela zokuthi ungenza kanjani ukhule kancane ukuze ufike khona yabo. Because nje akusiyona lonto ibhizinisi engaqala before ngize ufike la. Ngeke ngakhiphanga ngakha izinto ezingama-bracelets yabo ngenza lezo zinto lezo ngoba ngazama ukuveza i-capital ukuthi iphulami kwazi ukuveza yabo. At the same time ngiyasebenza nakhona ukusebenza kwami ngisebenza ukuthi umsebenzi ophumana umsebenzi kodwa ukuthi uma ngilomtholele lonto oholela ukuthatha ngibeke eceleni awuyeki lonto lokuqhubekile nje.
And then leyo mono esibalekele sugcina leyo mono ukuthi ukuthi uthathe imali leyo mono how to usithola kanjani lokho esipile ukuthi na yazi ngidlulile into efikile leqhamuka izinbazi abanye nabazi ibingathi ukuthi bakhona ngendlela amathuma ngathi ubona
umama uwethe kahle umona isifo esibila naleso uma sike saniphaqa kunzima kakhulu dawula kusona siyubhubhane idlula nje igciwane lomdlavuza yayizwa lonto leyo. So ngaleyo nto leyo engeke ngizame ukuthi ngifele ngikwenze balekela lezi zinto lezi ezizomona nani khona kuthiwa ukusilensa i-negativity uyisuppress nje ukwazi ukuzwa wena into e-positive kuphela ngisho umuntu angabe negative kanjani uzame wena ukuzwa nje lokho positive okay hey manje umuntu usevele wabala nemoto la kodwa nisindile yini lokho kubalulekile yabo
awuyigeli
awuthi imoto phela uyithole imoto ngilapho so ngaba nokuthi umuntu lapha hey ube komonela ngokuthini ngokuthini nawe bekunjani nazonke lezo zinto lezo yena kodwa uright yini wena umbona yini yabo uyaphuma kuleyo nto leyo ngoba uyithatha leyo nto leyo ubeke eduzane kwalo izolo ikhula igcina igcwala kuwena nawe uthole manje usudiscuss izinto engafanele uzidiscuss ngayo le nto ukuthi kahle wena entertain izinto zomona.
Bafowethu Mahebo wahamba ukuthi usojekazi ngiyabonga and this is Mahebo podcast sikhona la emini lokho busy kusibona sokusibili so far lenza kanje go to Facebook page yethu uthi Best Radio ufike like ipage lethu uye kwi-Azulele Studio TV ufike like ipage.com and then ufike lapha ku-YouTube because wasikhona ku-YouTube Facebook YouTube uzothola khona even page like that you do have a page.
Yes, we do have a page.
Social media.
We've got a good presence in social media. It's the page Instagram, it's the page called the Mingling Den. Look, Bali.
Mingling Den.
Mingling Den. Yes, it is.
Yeah, we want to find
and more than a page with other logo is the family.
Yeah.
So you only see it as a profile picture so that one who's the balloon and I can find that. So posters not is there's a bit about but in the online is challenges are but as about ukuhamba kwesikhathi mhlawumbe sokwazi ukuthi-create izinto ezingakwazi ziphinde lezo
vele nasikhulisa bona
yebo
nawo and then akhona amaningi nje lokho kuzinobuka there's a first one yokuqala nje eyami nawe senza le nayo uJohn ubhebe nithi ubhebe wena
uthi
siyabonga Dabo ngoba information nje kwase bani bonke lana phansi ukuthi uthola